Are you leading with a full tank, or are you leading on empty? Hey friends, Chris Natzke here, America's Breakthrough Sensei, and welcome to 2 Minutes to Breakthrough. Today's message is simple, but it might hit close to home. Stop leading from empty. So many leaders are running on fumes. They're tired, overextended, emotionally drained, and still showing up and pushing through. And while it may look strong on the outside, here's the truth. You can't sustainably lead others from depletion. It just doesn't work. You can push through occasionally, but you can't build culture, connection, or clarity from exhaustion. In martial arts, if your tank is empty, your form breaks down, your reaction time slows, your focus slips. The same thing happens in leadership. When you're on empty, your patience shortens, your empathy decreases, your creativity disappears, your tone shifts, and people feel it. You see, leadership is energetic. People don't just respond to your words, they respond to your state. So, let me ask you, are you leading from overflow or from obligation? There's a powerful difference between those two. You see, overflow is grounded, obligation is resentful. Overflow inspires, obligation exhausts. And you don't need a month to refill your tank. You need micro restoration. A boundary you've been avoiding, a conversation you need to have, a night of real sleep, a time to think instead of react. Recovery is not selfish, it's responsible. If you want to lead well, you must first lead yourself well. So, here's your breakthrough challenge for this week. Identify one place where you're running on empty and take one step to replenish. Because the leaders who last are the leaders who refill. Stop leading from empty. Lead from strength. So until next time, stay strong, stay centered, and keep breaking through. This has been Chris Natzke, America's Breakthrough Sensei, and we'll see you next time on another 2 Minutes to Breakthrough.